loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Helly, Queenz, and welcome to the fam. Hair grows faster in warm conditions. Warm weathers boost the supply of nutrients that are very essential for keratin production. Okay, so this increases the production of this protein and your hair grows faster. Now, although summer is a very great ally for long flowing hair, excessive sun exposure can still cause your hair to dry up and brittle, and it can damage your hair at the same time. Therefore, even though it's warm or it's summer, you still need to nourish your hair, wear your dukes and your wigs, and still protect your hair. Knowledge is power. Study the right kind of product that your hair loves, because what works for you may not work for other people. Therefore, it's very important for you to study the right kind of product that your hair loves, because when you have healthy hair, that means that your hair is likely to grow faster and more healthier, and when it grows, it's very good when your hair is long and it's healthy, unlike when your hair is long and it's unhealthy. So it's very good to find the right kind of products that work for your hair. Study your hair, learn what your hair loves. Hydration. Drinking at least 2 liters of water every day increases your hair growth and it strengthens your hair as well. When the root of your hair is hydrated, that means you can eliminate problems such as dandruff. Therefore, water plays a huge role in hair growth. Consistent and commitment. Finding the right kind of product is only half the battle. Therefore, you need to have a schedule of when to do your wash day routines, your moisturizing routines, when do you apply your home remedies. It's very good to have a schedule. Figure out a schedule for your hair. Patience. I know, growing your hair can be totally frustrating, and it's okay, it's totally okay for you to be so impatient, but you need to learn to be patient. Learn or give your hair some time to show a difference. At least be patient. Patience plays a very good role when you want to grow your hair. Be gentle with your hair. Now, most of us, when it comes to finger detangling or combing our hair, we use the comb and we're like, when it's time to finger detangle, we like in a hurry. Honey, be gentle. This is your natural hair, and you want to minimize the shedding. Therefore, whenever you're working with your hair, make sure that you are very gentle with your hair. Your hair is your baby, and if you want long flowing hair, you gotta be gentle, honey. Emotional well-being. This is something that most of us don't see, but when you're depressed, when you're stressed, all these things can actually contribute. It can affect your hair as well. Have something, you get what I mean, okay? Watch a cartoon, watch something, do something that makes you enjoy life. I mean, honeys, life is too short, okay? Therefore, your emotional well-being plays a very huge role in your health, including your hair's health and your hair growth as well. Be proud. Learn to appreciate the difference that's happening or what's going on with your hair. Trust me, your hair is growing once in a while. It does grow, your hair does grow, but most of us don't say that our hair is growing, and most of us tend not to be so proud of our hair length. For instance, me, I've pictured my hair 3 times in 2 years, which is okay, but I always try to appreciate, and I always try to be proud of the difference that's happening with my hair. So be proud, learn to be proud and be appreciative of what your hair is doing. Your hair is growing, you probably just can't see it. Diet. What you eat plays a very huge role in your hair growth. There are so many essential vitamins that can contribute to hair growth, like vitamin A, B, C, D, proteins, essential amino acids. All these are very good proteins that can boost your hair growth, because when your diet is lacking all these kind of vitamins, that means that your hair is likely to shed, break off, and even become brittle or even damaged. Therefore, it's very good for you to have a very good diet with all these right nutrients. Too much of everything is bad. Most of us that are trying to grow our hair, we try to apply oil in our hair, moisturize our hair once after, I don't know, sometimes even every day. Home remedies, we have now a lot of remedies like rice water, protein treatments, all these things that are very good for hair growth. When we're trying to grow our hair, we have this thing of when you apply this kind of product every day, then that means your hair is gonna grow, but that's not the case. Too much of everything is bad. That's why it's very important for you to have a schedule. Okay, try to figure out what your hair lacks first before you apply that product in your hair. Pain. Most of us are not aware of the fact that hair growth comes with thickness and it comes with pain as well. When your finger detangling your hair, the thicker your hair grows or the thicker your hair becomes, it also becomes kind of challenging and really frustrating for the hair as well. For instance, after a protective hairstyle, you need to detangle your hair before you wash it. So you need to embrace this pain that comes with all these things. It's so good. We all want our hair to be growing until the waist. We all want to have waist length hair, but all these things come with, yes, you're gonna experience some pain once in a while there. So you have to enjoy the pain and you have to embrace the pain as well. And these are things we all need to keep in mind. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We've come to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.